Did you turn on Facebook professional mode and now regret it? Maybe your reach changed. Maybe you don't want creator features anymore. Maybe you just want your normal profile back. Good news. Facebook allows you to switch back safely without losing your account. Today I'll show you the exact official method to turn off professional mode step by step. Let's start. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prayophony, where we give you clear solutions for real Facebook problems. Many users activate professional mode without understanding how it works. So today I'll help you reverse it properly without breaking your settings. Step-by-step professional mode disable process. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the profile that is currently in professional mode. Step 2. Open menu. Tap the 3-line menu icon. Now tap on your profile name to open your profile page. Step 3. Open profile settings. On your profile, tap the 3 dots icon next to the Edit Profile button. This opens profile options. Step 4. Scroll down. Now scroll down. Look for Turn off professional mode. Tap on it. Step 5. Continue process. Facebook will show you information about what will change. Tap. Continue. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want Facebook settings guides, privacy tips, and creator tool tutorials, subscribe to Prayophony and stay smart on social media. Now let's switch your profile back. Step 6. Confirm turn off. Now tap. Turn off. Facebook will process your request. Final result. Now you'll see professional mode turned off successfully. Congratulations. Your profile is now back to personal mode. What changes after turning off professional mode? After switching back, monetization tools removed, creator dashboard disabled, insights hidden, public reach features reduced. But you get normal profile experience, private sharing control, simpler interface. Important tip. If you plan to turn professional mode on again later, keep your profile unlocked, keep public audience enabled, save your content drafts. This makes future setup easier. Strong close. Now you know exactly how to disable professional mode. Return to personal profile. Control your Facebook account type. Remember, you control your account, not the algorithm. If this tutorial helped you, like, share, subscribe to Prayophony, because here, we don't get confused. We get clarity. See you in the next powerful tech video.